Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Waterloo, a delightful town nestled in Quebec's eastern townships. Located about 90 kilometers east of Montreal, Waterloo is surrounded by the township of Shefford and is part of the Haute-Yamaska Regional County Municipality. Waterloo has a rich history dating back to the 19th century. In 1861, Asa Belknap Foster, a prominent railway builder and politician, brought the railway to Waterloo, transforming it into a prosperous town. Today, the town retains its historical charm while embracing modern amenities. The town is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Waterloo is at the junction of three major cycling trails, the Estrie, the Campagnard, and the Montagnard. These trails are part of the Route Verte, recognized by National Geographic as one of the world's most beautiful cycling routes. The Estrie Trail features the ARTRIA Open Air Museum, where you can enjoy art installations amidst nature. Lake Waterloo is another gem, offering a municipal beach perfect for swimming, fishing, and boating during the summer months. The surrounding parks and green spaces provide ample opportunities for relaxation and family picnics. The town is also part of the Cœur Villageois network, highlighting villages that offer unique and authentic experiences. Whether you're into history, outdoor activities, or simply looking to unwind, Waterloo has something for everyone. Its blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and friendly atmosphere makes it a must-visit destination in Quebec.
Thanks for watching!